Alright everyone, today I'm bringing you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen on the Samsung A12. You can see that it's locked here. This means it's locked with a pattern or pin, as you can see. Remove your SIM card and your memory card, because this procedure will erase everything stored on the device. Unfortunately, there's no way to save any files, videos, or anything else. In some cases, you might also need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files, or anything like that. So try it both with and without the cable to see which way works for you. The first attempt we're gonna make here is without the cable, okay? Let's get started then. We're going to press the volume down button and the power button together at the same time. When it restarts, release only the volume down button and press the volume up button. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here to make it easier for you to follow along. On this emergency screen, press and hold volume down and power until the device restarts. It's important for you to keep track of when it starts restarting. Now release the volume down button, press the volume up button, because it has already restarted. When the Samsung logo appears, release the power button. Keep holding the volume up button at the top, just like we told you, until it enters recovery mode. If it doesn't work on your first try, just repeat the same procedure. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up, leave your like. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and we'll help you out. There you go, it's now in recovery mode. I also want to remind you that this procedure will work for other Samsung models as well. And if you need to unlock the Google account on any model, our number is in the description. You can check the price for your unlock. On this screen, use the volume down button to scroll to the fifth option, where it says wipe data, factory reset, and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, scroll down again with the volume down button and confirm once more. On this third screen, we just need to wait for the unlock process to complete. When you reach this screen, just confirm. At this point, the device is already being unlocked and formatted. You'll see it will restart without the screen lock password. If this video helped you, and if you're able to, please consider making a contribution to our channel. Our pics is in the video description. It doesn't matter how much you give, what matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.